Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change Snapchat username. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram app and log in with your account. Once you do that, go to your top left corner to your profile and now go to top right corner to the settings option. Once you are in the settings, you'll be having this username option. Just go over here and now from here just choose change username. So just a note guys, your username can only be changed once a year. Press on continue and then now you can change your username from here. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.